Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some good news and some in the bad news, we'll say, of ransomware payments. It is very interesting to note that in the first quarter of 2024, the payments dropped to a low of 28% for people and for enterprise companies and so on that are stuck with ransomware. And this is the good news in all of this. So here's the chart that we have, which is the amount paid versus amount not paid when people or when enterprise and services got hit. The bad news is, of course, the total amount of money is still extremely high, at record levels. Just last year, more than $1.1 billion. So part of it is because the ransomware demands are higher, and probably some of the payers or payees that wanted to get their data back are the type of service or enterprise that has enough money to give a lot more. But it's at least a good thing to see that less people and less services and enterprise are paying out. And I really hope this trend does continue, because the only way we can win the war against the ransomware hackers out there is really to not pay. If there's no money at the end of the ransomware, well, there's no interest in creating these. And this has always been the case. We talked about it many times here about how, in reality, what drives viruses, malware, ransomware, and so on has always pretty much been money. And this is no exception. So remember that if you back up all of your files and all of the important things you have, everything you need to keep that you don't want to lose, by creating a backup on an external device, on a DVD, on a USB thumb drive, then if you get hit with ransomware, well, a quick reinstall of Windows, complete, format and reinstall, and you're back in business. You've got your files. There's no need to pay anyone, just, taking the time to do it. And this is where we should all be, including enterprise, should also be at that level, that all the data that's extremely important is kept at another place. Backup at least at 2 different places is the best. The more places you have your backups, the least tragic such ransomware will be. So hope that this continues in this trend this year. 28% is the lowest. But in dollar amount, like I said, we are at some of the highest payouts right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.